Standard 4th, lesson number 20, all about glass. Glass is one of the most beautiful substances that we see around us. Just take a look around yourself and see how many things you can find that are made up of glass. Light bulbs, bottles, jars, glasses, reading glasses, marbles, window panes, to name just a few. Where does this glass come from? Now let's learn how glass is made. The glass that is used to make so many everyday things is a man-made material. This means that we make glass for our everyday use. Can you guess what it is made from? It may seem unbelievable, but this clear, transparent, and smooth looking material is actually made from sand. Dear students, it seems strange, but glass is made by sand. But how it's made? Let's learn it. Glass is made by heating a mixture of clean white sand and chemicals like soda and lime. The mixture is heated in a furnace till it turns into hot liquid glass. When it cools down, it becomes stiff and hard. So, when we heat the mixture of white sand and soda and lime, it becomes a hot and liquid glass. And when this hot liquid cools down, it becomes glass, hard glass. Now let's learn how glass is shaped. Once glass has become cold, stiff and hard, it is not possible to shape it. Glass is brittle. That means it breaks easily. It has to be shaped into different articles when it is still hot and soft. Very hot glass is more like a liquid. You can pour it, mold it, roll it, press it, or even blow it to make a variety of shapes. Hot liquid glass is poured into molds and hardened to make articles of various shapes and sizes. It can also be rolled out to make flat sheets of glass. In another process, molten glass is floated on a bed of molten metal to make very flat glass sheets of even thickness. Gobs of hot liquid glass can be blown into bottles, bulbs, glasses, and other objects. Liquid glass can also be drawn out into very thin fibers or glass wool. So, from this passage, we learn that glass, which is very hot and liquid, it can be poured and molded into various shapes, and we get bulbs, glasses, fibers also, glass wool also. Now let's learn some properties of glass. Glass has many useful properties. It is transparent. You can see through it. It is strong and hard. You can put a lot of load on it. It is impermeable. It does not allow water or other liquids to pass through, and it doesn't get soggy or stain itself. Soggy means having moisture in it. Glass has no effect on the food, water, or other substances stored in glass containers. In other words, it doesn't impart a smell or taste to them. Ordinary glass has a smooth surface and it can be washed easily. And last but not the least important is the fact that it looks beautiful. No wonder then that it is used to make so many things. So first property of the glass is it is transparent. You can see through it. Then glass, it doesn't affect the food or water or other substances that are stored in it. And the most important property of the glass is glass articles look beautiful. So glass is used to make many things. Let's learn more about glasses. Now it's color glass. Ordinary glass is colorless, but it is possible to produce colored and transparent glass by using different combinations of chemicals in the glass making process. Glass can be given many beautiful colors: blue, violet, turquoise, ruby red, pink, amber, orange, deep yellow, purple, amethyst, dark green, even black and white. So, if we use colored chemicals during glass making process, we can get different combinations of colored glass. And these colored articles, they are also beautiful. Now let's learn about stained glass. Colored glass is used to make beautiful pictures, especially in window panes. Such windows are known as stained glass windows. Colored glass can also be used to make beautiful sculptures or decorative articles. It is also possible to paint on glass using special chemicals and processes. So, colored glass is used in windows. Also, we can paint on the glass with the help of using special chemicals and processes. Now, let's learn about glass can be recycled. Another unique feature of glass is that it is 100% recyclable. Old glass can be used to make new glass any number of times. Recycling glass in this manner is much cheaper than making new glass from raw materials. It requires much less heat and a lot of energy is saved. If you recycle even a single glass bottle, you save enough energy to power a color TV for about 20 minutes. So, the next time you throw away a glass bottle, think glass is valuable. So, glass can be recycled by heating again, and it can be 100% recycled. And this recycling process requires much energy than making new glass from the raw material. So, using glass articles is energy saving for us. So, in this lesson, we have learnt many more things about the glass. I hope all of you have understood the lesson. Thank you.